how to upload a video on Bigo Live. So if you want to upload a video on Bigo Live, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need to simply go with your applications and search for Bigo Live. After searching, tap on your Bigo Live application. Now you need to just go with the bottom right, which has your profile icon. From the profile, you need to go with the top right. Now here, it will lead you to your profile, right? So if you scroll down here on your profile, you don't have any post, or in my case, I don't have any post. So just go with settings, which is on the right side, and make sure that you've enabled or turned off all of these options. Make sure that you have not hidden any of your post. Now on your profile, you may have post option. If you don't find the post option, you need to go with the top right, and from here you'll be able to post. You just need simply go with the plus option, which is on the right side, and from here you can choose photo or a video, or you can also just go back and tap on your profile picture. Once you tap on your profile picture, you will have this profile status, and under your status you need to just go with video section, and under video here you don't have any videos, so you just need to simply tap on the video option to post a video. So in my case, I don't have much fans or much following in my account, but if you have a lot of engagement or a lot of fans, then you will have an option of post on the bottom of your screen on your video section. So go with the video section, and then on the bottom you will have post option. You just need to simply go with post and then select a video that you would like to post, and after selecting your video you can go with the caption, and after that post your video. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.